have a Allister door control system type 2A, model ARD IIA, residential door operator. This is a 3rd horsepower, made in Mexico. As you can see, we have a broken idler pulley. I'll go ahead and unplug this unit. Pulley broke from here. Just so you're aware, this style here, you cannot find it anymore, this pulley. So they do have an aftermarket one right here. Part number OGRPUC. All right guys, so I pulled this. Got the pulley on right there. We can go ahead and wrap our chain around. So I wasn't able to film this entire process because there was a few components on here that were dirty, and I did not have both of my hands accessible at the time. All you're going to do to take this chain off, you're going to loosen this here, this one here, and this one here. Loosen them off, pull your chain off, take this nut and bolt out, put your new pulley on, tighten the bolt back, okay? Take your chain back around, make sure these wheels are out. Wrap your chain around the sprocket on the end of the motor. It goes around, bring it here, put a vice grip right here, wrap it around, tighten it, and you're good to go.